Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Mussel card with the By the Bay suite. Here's my Mussel card from the By the Bay suite, which includes the Seaside Bay bundle with stamps and dies and extra shell dies and this lovely landscape die that I talked about in my previous video. I gave you a tip on that, so make sure to watch that video for the tip. We also have the flat adhesive backed pearls and the By the Bay specialty designer series paper. So I cut out the mussels for this card, the ones with the sheen with this mussel die. Fits perfectly. So really fun that you can cut out these images with the dies. So most of the images you can cut out with the dies. And then last but not least, we have the beautiful balmy blue ombre ribbon, and you can color the ribbon and you can stamp on the ribbon. Lots of different ways that you can use and embellish the ribbon. This is a pretty simple card, but I just love it because of the designer series paper. So I started off with a base piece of basic white, which is 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. And then I have my beautiful designer series paper with this lovely wave on it. And there are mussels on the other side, but these aren't the ones with the sheen. And I'm going to layer this on a piece of 4 by 5 1/4. So this one is an 1/8 inch smaller. So it's 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And I forgot to add this piece before I put it on, so hopefully I trimmed it to the right size, but I thought it was really pretty because it has this watercolor look and this fun sheen to it. So next I have my mussels and the second largest stylish shape circle die, and I'm gonna just stamp the sentiment right onto the circle die. Now I have my 3 mussels and they have this lovely sheen to them, and I'm just gonna gently curve them a little bit like a mussel would be curved. And this one doesn't have a sheen on it, but I'm gonna use this one as well. And so I'm just going to curve all of these, gentle curve. And then I will add these with dimensionals. My cat is here, wagging her tail. And so there is my Mussel card using the By the Bay suite. If you want to get this card kit for free, just place a $50 order using my current host code and email me and let me know that you want the By the Bay card kit, and I will send it right out to you.